The following opinions are solely those of BoatTEST.com and its test captain. Hi guys, Captain Steve for BoatTEST.com, and today I'm going to discuss a problem we all have. Boats just need to be cleaned all the time. That's why the 5-gallon bucket is usually your best friend, and we could simply use that, but I have a better solution. Let me show you what I mean.
Well, the design team at SureHold has come up with a solution called the SureHold One Bucket System. It comes in 3 versions, so let's look at the all-inclusive Ultimate One Bucket System.
First of all, it's got a rope handle. Much easier to grab, much easier to hold on to with wet hands, and it just flops out of the way. Secondly, take a look at this cover. It's got a padded section on top, so in the absence of a seat, now we have one easily within reach, and it's also non-skid, so if we need to get something higher, we can just stand on the bucket.
This version of the SureHold One Bucket System is the ultimate and comes with all the cleaning products inside.
Every time you want to clean the boat, first you go get the bucket, then you go find the cleaning supplies. Well, here's a better system. Look at this little caddy. Keep all of the cleaning supplies in the bucket. What an idea. Now, what if this all starts to get wet, full of water? There's a great system underneath, so all the water just flows right out. Now, take a look at this little grading system. Water stays on top, the dirt flows down to the bottom. There's a baffle system so it doesn't get all stirred up. And even better, look at these 2 little compartments. Soap measuring compartments. Now you look at the directions on your soap container, find out how much soap is needed for the water, add it in there. Now we're not using too much soap, getting soap stains all over the boat, or wasting our soap. Now, when you dip your brush in, it's in clean soapy water. Take a look at this ring on the bottom. That keeps the bucket from sliding all over the deck, and even when the bucket's empty and you put a brush in it, it won't tip over. Now let's take a look at the product that comes with the One Bucket System. First, the SMC spray, Serious Multi-Purpose Cleaning. This contains no bleach, so it's safe on vinyl, non-skid, and graphics, and it's perfect for pre-wax cleaning. Bright Wash is great for salt, grime, and dirt. It won't strip your wax, and it's safe for use on isinglass, plastics, fiberglass, and painted surfaces, and it's biodegradable. SureHold calls Buff Magic the ultimate restoration compound. Removes oxidation and surface imperfections, restoring that showroom shine. It's also an excellent metal polish for all your stainless hardware.
Pro Polish protects the shine you just put on. Rather than traditional wax, Pro Polish is polymer-based and goes on quicker and easier to protect against sun, salt, and other harmful elements.
Serious Shine is for doing quick detail work. It's the ultimate aerosol cleaner. Cleans, polishes, protects almost any surface in one step without leaving a greasy residue. We use this on our electronics, isinglass, and other sensitive surfaces.
Our tests have shown how effective these products are, so it's great to have them included in this one package.
The point of all this is that boating is supposed to be easy, but even on a workboat, there are still a lot of ways that we can lighten the workload. SureHold has come up with just such a solution to make all that happen, and it's the One Bucket System. And that's my full features review. For BoatTEST.com, I'm Captain Steve. We'll see you on the water.